Hey, welcome back to Kids Art Now. I'm Marissa, and today we're going to be drawing an Among Us crewmate, and he is reporting a dead body. So let's get started. First step we're going to take is to draw a curved line that goes like this, and then we're going to continue that curve down, down, down to about right there. Now we're going to make the feet of our crewmate. So just make a curve up and then another curve in like this. We're gonna make another leg. So draw a line down and then continue going up, 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 and then stop right there. Let's make the visor. The visor is gonna be a big oval in the middle. So make a big giant oval like this, and then close up any lines that need to be closed. Now let's draw the pack on the back. It's just a line out, and then curve down, and then curve around to touch the back. Now let's draw the megaphone. The first step we're going to take is to draw starting here, which is just a curve, and then from that curve we're going to go up a bit like this, and then we're going to go out like that, and we're going to draw up, 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 and stop. This side we're going to go down. It's kind of opposite of this one. Now we're going to draw a curved line that goes across, connecting those two lines. And then from that curve, we're going to make kind of like an oval. There we go. Now let's put some detail on our megaphone. I'm going to draw a curved line that goes around and in, and I'm going to make it touch a little. There we go. I'm going to put another detail mark right here, and then about right there. Let's put some more detail marks. There's one, there's two, and then we'll color these inside red. Here's another one and another one. I'm going to put one more line to finish it off. Now let's draw the hand. We're going to put a little line here, and then right about here, let's draw a line that goes all the way down. There we go. Now I'm going to draw the hand that goes right there. So start at the top, and then we're going to draw a finger that goes out and in, and then we're going to draw another line that goes around that one, and then close it off with a curve. We're going to draw some more fingers here, so continue from where the knuckle would be. So I'm going to pretend mine's right there, and then go around again and in, just like that, and then follow that same line and make a curve. We're going to do it again. Make a line out, and then you can curve it, and then I'm going to put one more line out and then curve in. See how many fingers I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the thumb, so 5. Yeah. Let's make sure our line goes a little past the hand, so bring it down a bit, and then from the hand curve in to finish the megaphone. Now I'm going to draw part of the hand here like it's gripping it. So start at your megaphone and draw a line down, 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 in a bit, out, and in. There we go. Now let's draw our dead body here. Let's start by drawing a curved line that goes around and out. And then we're going to continue going down and in like this. Now we're going to start about here, go up, and make it a little thinner and stop. We're going to draw a round circle here. So make a circle, and then when you get to about here, stop because there's going to be a bone sticking out. So continue going on the other side and then stop for the bone. Now I'm going to continue creating detail by putting another circle in the middle like this. And then let's do our little bone shape. So let's start with the U, and then from that point go up a bit like that, and then we're going to make a curve that goes around and in a bit, and then on the other side same thing. It's going to go around and then it's going to touch the other line here. There. Now if your marks aren't straight, you can straighten them up like mine, and then if they don't touch, make them touch to finish it off. There's our dead body. Now let's draw the skull that comes on top. We're going to draw a line, and then it kind of looks like a V, and then from that V we're going to make a big circle. There we go. And let's draw a skull. So inside of the circle, we're going to draw a round, and stop. And then we're going to make a mark that goes down, out, and up. We're going to draw some lines. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're going to draw 2 X's for the eyes. 1, 2, and then the nose is just 2 dots or 2 lines. There we go. Let's color it in. I hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for brand new drawings, and I will see you next time. Bye.